Hey, Mr. Irwin, Trent Tate here with Tameron Honda's Internet Department. Thank you for taking my call this morning. I know that you're looking for information on the Honda Accord. Going to be out of pocket till this weekend, so I wanted to show you a brief video of some of the new standard features that are available on that product. I know you say color wasn't much of a concern. We do have the white, the silver, the gray. This is one of my crystal black pearls right here, cleaned up in the showroom. And the new Accord racked up every accolade we could earn for 2018 when it was released in this new design. North American Car of the Year. It's a top safety pick plus from the NHTSA. In this model year design. As you can see, full LED lights here in the front, Chris, along with Honda sensing package standard across the board. So the vehicle you selected will come with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist systems, as well as front collision automatic braking. It's a phenomenal vehicle. Coming out over here into the cab, you can see nice polished alloy wheels will be standard across the board on that Accord LX. And in the cab, it's the beefiest build we've ever had available in this model lineup. You're gonna have a nice plush interior. You're gonna have multi-angle backup cameras, Bluetooth, automatic climate control, more legroom in the second row than we've ever had available, tons of trunk space, and it's class-leading fuel economy. You really can't beat this product, so give me a call when you can make it back into town. I'd love to set up some time for you to come in and drive the vehicle in person. You can reach me at 205-504-2358 by phone or text, and I make you this promise: when you make it into Tameron Honda, you're gonna love the way you're treated.